We are still in the wooded area of Bottom Yard Bar, searching for a 9-year-old female child who was abducted from her home in Bottom Yard Bar, somewhere between 7 to 7:15 last night. This child was at home on her veranda playing with her dog when she was abducted by a male. This abduction was apparently caught on CCTV footage. The male with the holding the child in his arm with a knife in his hand. So we are searching for the child as also the abductor, who is presently reporting on condition of bail at Bath Police Station for the offences of illegal possession of firearm et al. He is appearing in the Portland Parish Court. As a part of the condition of his bail, he is to remain outside of the parish of Portland, and he is to reside in St. Thomas with a family friend. We're having dialogue with the family friend in a bid to locate the suspect, as also we are in dialogue with our partners in Portland, and we ask them to be on the lookout for the suspect. We have seen this person. He's a person of interest, and we're asking him to turn himself over to the police so we can ask him some information in relation to the missing child. Searching the area, the family members as also the police. We are accompanied by partner agency CPFSA, as also persons from Ministry of Health and Wellness. We are looking at persons from victim support. So persons have turned out for the search. We are looking at about 500 persons. The JCF K9 division members are here with the dogs, combing through the wooded areas. So far we have found nothing, but our search continues until we find the missing 9-year-old child.